In this video, I'll do a review and walkthrough of Copysmith. I'll take you inside Copysmith and give you a quick tour. I'll give you a demo so you can see how it works. We'll talk about pricing, and if you stick with me, I'll tell you how you can get access to Copysmith at a fantastic price, so you gotta watch. Lastly, I'll give you my personal opinion about Copysmith. So if you're ready, let's dive right in. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on my future content. By the way, as I mentioned earlier, I'll tell you how to take advantage of a limited lifetime offer, so keep watching. So what is Copysmith? Copysmith is a platform that uses state-of-the-art machine learning to help you write high-performing copy in seconds, not hours. It's tailor-made for entrepreneurs, marketing agencies, anyone in e-commerce, and of course, copywriters. The story about how Copysmith came about is an interesting one, as well as the background of its founder and CEO, Jasmine Wang. I'll leave a link to an interview she did in the description below. It's well worth a read. Let's just say the technology Copysmith brings to the table is next-gen stuff. So let's touch upon that very technology so you guys know what you're dealing with here. Copysmith uses GPT-3, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. If we take a look at Wikipedia, you'll find that GPT-3 is an autoregressive language model that uses deep learning to produce human-like text. Quality of the text generated by GPT-3 is so high that it is difficult to distinguish from that written by a human, which has both benefits and risks. Furthermore, David Chalmers, an Australian philosopher, described GPT-3 as one of the most interesting and important AI systems ever produced. I'll be back. So how does Copysmith work? Let's hop inside and I'll show you. This is what you're going to see when you first log into Copysmith. You're going to be taken to the new dashboard. They also have the original dashboard UI, so you can see what it looks like here. I'm going to stick with the new dashboard, and I'm going to walk you through some of the areas within here. So on the left side, this is your profile. When you select your profile, you can update your personal information, your email, your company information as well. So you can add in company name, company URL, a description if you have it, your tone or product keywords, and you can select update. Now, this box right here says pre-fill inputs by default. So whatever's in here, if you are using this for yourself, then obviously you will use the pre-filled inputs. If you're going to be using it with other products or other types of services, or you have clients, then obviously you would uncheck that. I'm just going to leave it checked, and we're going to update this. Now down here in the corner, there's also support, and this button will always be here. So if you need support, you can get it by clicking on that button. They also have a referral program, so you can give friends 50 credits, get 50 credits when they sign up. So you can participate in a referral program. These are the different plans that they have right now. So you have monthly payment options versus the annual payment options. Now let's go back to the home, the main dashboard. This is where you can create folders. Now, this is going to help you stay organized. So you can create a new folder, and we're going to call this folder the Simple Traffic Blueprint, because I'm going to be doing examples using the Simple Traffic Blueprint product that I promote. And we're going to create this folder. Now, when you create your folder, they're going to walk you through a setup guide. So in this step right here, it says fill out as much information or as little information below to auto-generate files and auto-populate the field. So as you saw in the profile, I filled out some information, and it'll take that information and it'll bring it into these different types of templates, depending on what I use. So you can choose any of these or none of these. It's totally up to you. So in this case, I'm going to be talking about the Simple Traffic Blueprint, which is a product. So I definitely want to have a product description in there. And I can also have, I want to do something for a Facebook ad here. I'm not going to do Google ads. We'll stick with product descriptions and Facebook ads for now. And then we'll go ahead and select next. And in here, you want to fill out as much or little below to auto generate files and auto populate fields. Again, this is optional if you want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just input some information in here. So we can submit a URL and it's going to scrape and get information off of that website. So in this case, we'll go ahead and we'll enter in the simple traffic blueprint. And we're going to get data by scraping that website. As you can see, the name is populated as well as the description. So we're going to leave it at that. I'm not going to fill in anything else here. And we're just going to go ahead and finish off here. Now, this is when it's going to create the different types of files for us. So as you saw in the previously, we selected product description and Facebook ads. So if I select the folder and you see in here, the files have already been created. So here's product description and Facebook ads. So let's go ahead and check out the product description. Now in here, it says the company name, simple traffic blueprint, product name, product characteristics, brand keywords, and keywords to avoid. The ones that have the little red asterisk, you need to fill those out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill in just my name because I'm the one that promotes this product, and the product is the simple traffic blueprint. And in terms of product characteristics, when you hover over this button right here, it says we recommend 2 to 8 characteristics. You can also include pain points your product solves. So you can have up to 8 of these, or they recommend up to 8. So I'm gonna just enter in some of the product characteristics for the simple traffic blueprint. Well, first of all, it's simple. It's step-by-step. It's streamlined. It's bare bones. It's honest training. It's affordable. It's beginner friendly. And let me do one more. I'm going to put in one that's a little bit longer. Let's put in generate traffic, leads, and sales using YouTube. So those are my product characteristics. Now brand keywords, let's see what they say. It says we recommend 1 to 3 keywords. For example, luxurious, natural, high quality. So they're saying 1 to 3. They recommend that. I'm gonna go with honest. We'll go with transparent. And let's go with evergreen. And then keywords to avoid. I don't have any off the top of my head, but just to throw one in there, let's go with keywords to avoid. Let's put expensive. It's not expensive. So we'll avoid that. Now, when you are ready, you are going to generate the copy, and it uses a credit. So down here it says this generation uses 1 credit and generates 5 to 15 pieces of new content. All content is saved by default. So if the first set isn't perfect, try again. So right now you see 20 credits are left this month. When I generate this, it'll drop down to 19. Now, if you sign up for the free trial, you will get 10 credits. So I suggest that you sign up for the free trial first, give it a go, see how it works, see if you like it. And if you like it, then definitely go for one of their promotions that I'm going to be talking about a little bit later in this video. So let's go ahead and generate our copy, see what we come up with. So that was very, very quick. And let's take a look at some of the results here. It says a simple traffic blueprint from kkfurukawa. It says a simple traffic blueprint is a step-by-step training program designed to teach you how to use YouTube to generate traffic, leads, and sales. Excellent. Program has been tested and is proven to work for sure. the Simple Traffic Blueprint is available as a digital download or physical product. So I would definitely edit this, and all you have to do to edit is just click anywhere in that description, and then you can edit to your heart's content. So in this case, I'm going to just type in something like sign or grab your copy today. And then I'm going to just save my edit. Now, you can copy this text if you want to your clipboard. You can favorite this or heart it or like it, or you can delete it if you want to. If you want more copy like this, then you can select this button right here. And it says, once this output is satisfactory, click this button to generate variants. It's free. So it will not use any of the credits down here. You can see it's 19. When I select this, it's not gonna go down to 18. It's gonna stay at 19, and the variants are gonna be free. But let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other variants that it came up with. So the Simple Traffic Blueprint is the honest step-by-step guide to using YouTube to generate traffic, leads, and sales for your business. You'll learn what it takes to get started using this powerful tool, how to use it in a way that gets results, and how to stand out from the rest of your competition with effective video marketing strategies. It's somewhat true, but in general, just reading the text, it's amazing that the sentences are complete, they make sense, and it's just going to take a little bit of tweaking, just very minor tweaks, in order for me to get the kind of copy that I want. And that's the beauty of Copysmith, that the AI is so good that it can create this unique copy for me and give me ideas so that I can create multiple variants. If you are an agency, this is excellent for you. You can create different variations of copy and present that to your client. If you are a solopreneur like myself, sometimes sitting in front of a computer and trying to create copy is very, very difficult. Now all you have to do is enter in some characteristics, some keywords to avoid, and allow Copysmith to do the heavy lifting for you. Now, is it going to always be perfect? Absolutely not. Nothing is going to be perfect. They are constantly working on their platform, and it's only going to improve as the days, weeks, months, years go on. So this product shows a lot of promise, and I'm very, very impressed at the moment. So let's check out another one right here. It says the Simple Traffic Blueprint is the simplest and most streamlined guidebook ever created to help you build a six-figure business using YouTube. A little bit off in terms of guidebook, because it's not a guidebook. But again, you can substitute this and say course created to help you build your online business using YouTube. So it didn't take much effort for me to just change a couple of words. And to me, that looks good. So we'll save the edits there. Now, let's just do one last one because I'm just intrigued. But this one right here says one of the most important aspects of any website is having a strategy for driving traffic to it. This strategy should be simple, step-by-step, streamlined, and without false promises. An effective traffic strategy requires you to create content on YouTube that will generate leads and sales for your business. Simple Traffic Blueprint by Furukawa will help you get started today. So obviously I would change this because the creator of the product is Philip Barman, but that's a simple fix right there. You know, driving traffic to your website, that would be affiliate offer. I could make those changes right there. So it's really, to me, it's pretty spot on. Now, I like this one up here where I made that simple change. It says the Simple Traffic Blueprint step-by-step training program. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on this more like this because I want you guys to see what kinds of variations it comes up with. And we'll just take a look at a couple of them. Now, let's see what it says right here. So this was our original one. Here's another one right here. Simple Traffic Blueprint is designed to teach you how to use YouTube to generate traffic, leads, and sales. The program has been tested and proven to work. Grab your copy today. That's what our original one was, I believe. No, this is the second one. This one right here, Simple Traffic Blueprint, is an easy to understand training program that will give you the knowledge and tools you need to make YouTube videos a successful business. So very close, but you can see that the variants are really they're just effective copy. It's so easy for me now to go in, change a couple of words here or there, and I'll have exclusive or very different, unique content. Now, when you have chosen the ones that you like, let's say I like this one right here. So I'm gonna heart that. I'm gonna choose this one right here. And I'm gonna choose this one right here, just for an example. So I've chosen those. And what I can do right now is I can share the ones that I like. I can share them with a team or with my clients. So I'm gonna share a copy. You can copy the URL up at top and you can share that and they'll have access to this. You can see the ones that I've hearted and you can see the others here. And people can go through and they can upvote or downvote the ones that they like or dislike. So this is a great way to get feedback from your team, from your colleagues, from your clients. So let's go ahead and go back and we're gonna just save and exit. So that was the product description. And let's go ahead and run through Facebook ad very quickly. So here's the information in here. So add keywords. Let's hover over and see what it says. 3 to 5 keywords. These keywords that will, these are keywords that will guide the content of the generation. So add keywords. We'll just put make money online. Let's just use one. And keywords to avoid, I'm just going to leave that there. I just want to see or show you guys what it comes up with. So let's generate this. And let's take a look at the results. So it says a simple traffic blueprint, simple steps to make money online, your affiliate offers, and follow up your website traffic. Quit your day job and grab the cash. That's a little, I probably shouldn't have used make money online, but again, for the sake of time, I want to type something in there. Learn how to make money online fast and easy in 7 simple steps. So you can see right here, using this was probably not a good choice, but in terms of the copy that it brings up, pretty good. Make money with your affiliate offers with a simple traffic blueprint. Learn to attract, engage, and convert visitors to your affiliate offers. Explained and easy to follow videos from an experienced internet marketer. Excellent. So in this case, this is something that I would like. So I would definitely heart that. Oh, it showed up at top. I'm sorry that when I heart it, it shows up at the top. So I'm gonna remove that one. And the first one was the one that I really like. So let's go ahead and generate more like this. And let's see what it comes up with. So this is our original one. Let's take a look at this one. Step-by-step video-based course designed to show you a streamlined and practical way for you to generate traffic, leads, and sales to your affiliate offers. Excellent, spot on. So we'll like that one. And let's take a look at this one right here. This is the last one. Simple traffic blueprint from the video above is a well-researched, proven step-by-step system. Doesn't really make that much sense, but you can really see how it came up with some really good copy. And I didn't really use a template per se. It really generated this unique content based off of the information that I provided it with. So the more information you can provide, the better results you're going to get. So that is how you use Copysmith. Is very easy to use. So earlier, I mentioned that you could pick up Copysmith at a limited one-time offer. Well, our friends over at AppSumo are currently offering a lifetime deal on Copysmith. Now, this offer is available for a limited time, so you have to act fast if you're interested in picking it up. Be aware that you also have the ability to stack multiple codes. So what do you get with each code? Well, each code you purchase gives you 25 credits per month. You can also create copy for Google and Facebook ads, product descriptions, taglines, SEO meta tags, Instagram ads, and all other content types in the starter plan. One thing to note is that those who purchase the AppSumo deal will also get access to, wait for it, landing pages. But according to their founder and CEO, it will consume more credits depending on the length of the copy generated for that particular landing page. So check out the AppSumo deal for Copysmith and consider picking up more than one code. I've included a link down below. One thing that was a bummer is that future updates do not include blog posts. But if you manage to grab your AppSumo code, Copysmith is offering Sumolings a lifetime 50% off their professional or enterprise plans if you ever wish to upgrade your account. So that was the AppSumo deal. If you want to pick that up, click on the link below to get started. If we head over to the Copysmith pricing page, we can take a look at their standard pricing. They do have a free trial, so you can experience Copysmith for yourself with no credit card. As you can see, they have monthly and annual billing options. You can also learn more about what's included in each plan, which starts at $19 per month. If you purchase Copysmith via the AppSumo lifetime deal and decided to upgrade because you wanted to use their upcoming blog post feature, you will get 50% off their professional or enterprise plans for life. So the cost to upgrade can be as little as $29.50 per month if you pay monthly, or $25 per month if you pay annually. Couple that with your initial one-time deal from AppSumo, and that makes for an affordable solution. Please note that Copysmith is currently offering a 2021 early adopter plan. So if you missed the AppSumo deal, you can opt to grab the Copysmith plan, which is $59 per month and gives you 1,000 credits per month. So what's my final opinion of Copysmith? Is it worth picking up? Look, we all know that staring at a blank page, trying to brainstorm copy is both frustrating and time consuming. With Copysmith, you now have an exciting, new state-of-the-art tool at your fingertips to help solve this problem. Best of all, it's easy to use. The only drawback may be the amount of generations per month you have, but to me, that's a minor inconvenience compared to what you get in return. The technology behind it, GPT-3, is amazing. And for those of you who subscribe to my channel, you know this isn't the same cheap and cheerful copywriting software that I've evaluated in the past. Copysmith is legit. I'm extremely excited to test out the upcoming landing page and blog post features, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I post my update. So should you pick this up? Well, with the AppSumo lifetime deal running at the publishing of this video, it's definitely worth picking up at a one-time price. But this is a limited lifetime offer, so there is no guarantee that it will be available when you watch this video. So click on the link below to get access to the AppSumo offer. Otherwise, if you missed it, you can take advantage of the 2021 early adopter plan, which is another limited time offer, this time offered by Copysmith. I've posted a link below for that so you can sign up for your free Copysmith trial and test it out before you make your final decision. So there you have it, my Copysmith review and walkthrough. Are you planning to get it? Let me know by dropping your comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be informed of my next Copysmith update. Thank you so much for watching. This is Ken Furukawa from kenfurukawa.com, and I'll see you in my next video.